If you're looking for the perfect blend of function, elegance, and craftsmanship in your outdoor dining setup, let me introduce you to the Topaz Folding Dining Side Chair by Jensen Outdoor. This isn't your average folding chair. It's crafted with sustainable Ipe hardwood, a premium-grade tropical wood that's as tough as it is beautiful. Over time, it develops a stunning silver patina if left untreated, or you can maintain its rich chocolate brown hue with simple oiling. Either way, it adds a sense of refined character to any patio or garden space. Now, the real star here is the folding design. It's smooth, solid, and practical, perfect for when you need to store extra seating or save space in a snap. And despite being foldable, this chair is built to last. The stainless steel hardware and precise joinery mean it's made to withstand years of outdoor use without compromising on comfort or stability. Whether you're hosting a backyard brunch, enjoying a quiet dinner under the stars, or planning for extra guests during the holidays, the Topaz folding chair delivers reliability and style in one thoughtful package. And because it pairs perfectly with Jensen's entire Topaz collection, creating a coordinated outdoor dining area has never been easier. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.